vector equation of a line. So we can use the parametric equation to represent the vector. So here, find the parametrization of the line through the points given. So basically what it means is, I'm going to use 2 points on the first quadrant. One is second, and here one is on the fourth quadrant. But it makes it easier if you understand this concept. Let's say you have 2 points, and we want to write an equation of this vector. So it will be like a linear function. So you can think of it as mx plus b. So you can choose your first initial point as your b, initial value. So that's why they put x1, y1, the first one. But now it's a vector. And then, how do you find its slope of the line? You have to find the component form of it, right? How do you find the component form of a vector when 2 points are given? You do head minus initial point, right? Head minus tail. So that's what it means. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. But would the vector be this long? Just this long? It can be longer, right? So the component form of the vector gives you the direction, but the parameter t will be just like x, and it will be extending in that direction. So it's like m, the slope of the vector, component form of the vector, times t plus the initial vector. Okay. So try to use the first vector as your initial vector. And this will be the component, then form of the vector, and you multiply by t. So your vector, you always write it in x, y. And let's just go ahead and choose the first one as our initial vector to be consistent. So then that's from 0 to -2 to 3. So it is -2, 3 vector form, component form, plus t times the component form of these two. It will be terminal minus initial. Remember, head minus tail to get the component form. So it's 4 minus -2 and -3 minus 3. So we get the vector form x, y equals to -2, 3 plus t times 4 minus -2 is 6. -3 minus -3 is -6. So that is your vector form, vector equation. And please put a star on this question because the formula will not be given for this. You have to remember it. So then, from the vector equation, can you write a parametric equation? What does it mean to write a parametric equation? You write x and y separately. How do you do that? X equals to what? -2 plus 6 times t, right? 6t. And of course, you can put 6t in front of -2. What is y? 3 plus -6 times. So it will be minus -6t.